Hello, it's DataForSEO channel. While you can see them, APIs are everywhere. They're always working in the background to power numerous digital services that shape our day-to-day lives. In this video, you will learn what an API is and how it works. An API, short for Application Programming Interface, is a set of rules that helps different software systems or apps interact and exchange information. Let's consider a real-life example to understand APIs better. Imagine you have developed a taxi service app like Uber or Lyft, spending a fair share of time and resources to create various features. But now you realize that to enable transactions, you also need a payment system. Building such a system from scratch would be very difficult. So instead, you can connect your app to a ready-made-up payment system like Stripe, using its API. Let's take a closer look at how this solution works. Firstly, your app user orders a taxi and taps to pay for the ride. Secondly, your app sends an HTTP request to the Stripe API, passing along details like the sum to be charged, currency, and the customer's payment info. Thirdly, Stripe's API servers receive the request and process the payment, handling tasks like verifying and authorizing that transaction. If everything is good, Stripe API sends a response back to your app with a unique identifier of the transaction, confirming a successful payment. And finally, your app informs the user that their payment went through. And just like that, your customer gets the service they paid for. Now let's explore different types of API requests. The two most common types are POST and GET. POST request submits data to the server to create a new resource or perform a specific action. It is commonly used for operations like creating a new user account, submitting a form, or adding an item to a shopping cart. On the other hand, a GET request retrieves certain information from the server without making any changes to the server's data. It's used for tasks such as fetching user lists, product details, or weather information. Another example of fetching data is using DataForSEO APIs that provide various SEO data and insights, such as keyword rankings, SERP features, backlink data, and more. Create an account with the link below to start exploring DataForSEO APIs for free. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for new informative videos about APIs coming soon.